Hi guys, and welcome to my channel on Facebook page Arabic with me, Rana. In this video we are going to have a small idiom, small but it has lots of meaning, and it is an idiom. So most of our idioms comes from the spoken Arabic, so we don't have, most of the times we don't have an equivalent. Let's begin. I will tell you the sentence, the idiom in Arabic, which goes into two sections. So some people say it like this, some people say it like that. So let's begin. The idiom says in Arabic, in خلت خربت. In خلت خربت. And then the second one, it says in خلت بلت. In خلت بلت. You know, most of our idioms comes from the tone rhythm. We like the rhythm. We really like it. If it has no rhythm, it would not be, most of the times, it would not be an idiom in Arabic. We like the rhythm, we like the tones. So let's begin with the first one, in. And sometimes some people say, instead of in, they say iza. Iza, which is ida in the standard. So iza, which means if. Iza, or in this case, means if. If. And then the next word is actually a verb. It says خلت. خلت. خلت, here the conjugation is she. It refers to something which is not there in the sentence, which means the dunya in Arabic. Dunya, which is the universe, the world, the existence in Arabic. So this is a dunya. Dunya. This dunya, it's not there in the idiom, but it's ambiguous. It's hidden. So, again, iza, if. And then خلت, which is the universe or the existence. خلت. What does it mean, خلت? خلت. It comes from the verb يخلو من. So for example, if you said about something يخلو من blah blah blah, it means it's devoid of. Devoid of. So it is entirely lacking or free from something. For example, if you said يخلو من الفرح, يخلو من المرح. So it's like يخلو من الفرح means like it's devoid of happiness. So it's actually lacking the happiness. It's free of happiness. There is no happiness there. And if you said يخلو من المرح, then it means it's entirely lacking the fun. So there is no fun in that. يخلو من المرح. So in this case, again, I'll repeat, this is where it comes from, the word خلت, which is the verb خلت. خلت, then it means if the world, or the existence in this case, if the world was entirely lacking of what? Also, it's hidden. So we don't have what it is lacking of. So we would say it's lacking of good people. So the hidden part here, the second hidden part is the good people. The lovely, perfect, lovely, good people. So, in خلت or إذا خلت, which means if the universe, if the existence was lacking of good people is hidden again, and then خربت. خربت, it's also come to الدنيا, and dunya is again the existence or the world. So in this case, خربت, خرب means like it's broken. Like, how is it broken? Like, how is the universe is broken? It's ruined. So خربت is ruined. The universe, the existence is ruined. So what does it mean? As a whole sentence, it means, again, I'll repeat it, in or إذا خلت خربت. إذا خلت خربت. In خلت خربت means if the existence, if the world was lacking of good people or is lacking of good people, then it will be just ruined and it would be destroyed. So there will be no existence anymore. So in this case, we don't have an existence, so we will not live anymore. So this is why we will say it like this. The second one, it says إذا or in خلت. Again, the same one. And then the last one is billet. Billet. If you said billet, so this clothes, this piece of clothing is بالية. بالية. What does it mean? Where it comes from? It means actually rotting. It's rotting. It's the rot. So it's really bad. So the universe, the existence will just be rotting. And that's really bad. So it will be again ruined, or it would be vanished, destroyed, like this. So when to use this exact idiom? For example, if I am right now making a conversation with one of my friends and she's telling me or he's telling me about what happened with him and that lots of bad stuff happened to him in this day. So during this day, nothing good happened, but like out of nowhere, someone who is really nice, really beautiful, really good, just did something that is really beautiful and really lovely to him or to her, to them. And it made him feel that this universe is not lacking of good people anymore. This is where you would tell that in خلت بلت or in خلت خربت or إذا خلت بلت or إذا خلت خربت would tell them this. Again, the next situation, for example, if you wanted to say, I'm really feeling so distressed and I feel that no one will help me. I feel that no one is telling me what's wrong with you, Rana. Nothing is good with me. Nothing is happening the good way. So they will tell me, someone will come and tell me, Rana, come on. إذا خلت خربت or إن خلت خربت إن خلت بلت. So in this case, he is or she is giving me hope. Is still there. Hope should be always there. So if this universe had no good people anymore, you will just be not here as well anymore. So the universe or the existence would be destroyed. So clue sentence or translation to it into English, it would be, if no good people are left, the world would come to an end. That is it in English. So this is the very close translation to it in English. So this is it. This is all about this video, and I hope you like it. I hope you like this idiom, because we really make it a lot in our day. Actually, today, like literally today, when I was down the street, I heard two people speaking about it. So I heard one girl who just said, انخلت بلت يعني, come on. So like, come on, you have to get some hope into your heart, into your soul, etc. So this is it. This is all about this video. I hope you like it. Again, do not forget to like, comment, share it with your friends if you like it, and do not forget to share it with those students and learners of the Arabic language. See you in next videos. Bye. Take care.